Hi everyone, it's Brooklyn Maple with River City Weekend. Today we are going to be making a very interesting zucchini noodle and turkey ramen. Of course, we're going to be using our full Kentucky Legend oven roasted turkey, but if you are looking to mix it up, you can also try some of our amazing ham. So today, I promise to you, it's going to be super simple and yet very impressive for your friends and family. We're actually going to start on the stove. Follow me. We currently have the stove on medium to high heat. We wanted to make sure that we were using a large saucepan because you do not want to overfill it. We are going to start with 6 cups of a chicken broth, and you're going to let all of these ingredients simmer for about 5 minutes until it's very flavorful. While we have the broth simmering, we have all of our ingredients out in front of us, and we are actually going to build this soup, so to speak. The entire recipe makes for 4 servings, and we're going to start with zucchini noodles. If you didn't guess, this is a keto-friendly recipe. All right, so we have poured everything out. We of course have to garnish our wonderful soup. So we have a half a cup of green onions chopped, and then we also have 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds, and we're going to add that to the top. Now you can also put a hard-boiled egg on the side if you would like, completely up to you. I suggest soft boiling and not super hard boiling. And there you have it. We made this delicious zucchini noodle and turkey ramen in under 25 minutes. Look at how amazing this is if you have a craving. Make sure you catch us next time on Legendary Cooking at rivercityweekend.com.